All right, so this is the other security computer, and this one's called Security Teams. And so on this computer, the first thing they can do is they can actually send out security teams. Now, right now in both ships it says damage teams. It should say security teams. Hopefully that will be fixed. But if the kids ask about it, just tell them it should say security teams. Now, on the other security computer, one of the things that they can scan for inside the ship is intruders. So let's say they find out that there are intruders on deck 7. Then they should probably send a security team out to go deal with the intruders. So some, like an example of a security team they could send out would be, send 15 officers to deck 7 to get rid of intruders. Now, you want to tell them they should be fairly specific with their orders. So they should probably specify the number of officers, where they need to go, and what they want that team to actually do. So once they type the team, they just click this blue create damage team, which should say security team, and that will send their team out. Now they can contact their officers through this messaging screen. Down here in this bottom box, they can type, for example, if the team was on deck 7, did you get all the intruders? I can spell today, it's good. Once they type, they just come click the blue send button, and you'll see their message appears up here. Messages from their security teams will all show up right here. Now, they don't only get messages from the teams they've sent out, they also get messages from their other security guards on other parts of the ship. So this is a screen where you want to tell them if they get a message, they need to read it and figure out what's going on. This could be where they get information about problems on the ship or places where they need to send security teams. So if they're not paying attention, they're not going to know where they should send out their officers. The other thing is the security officers will each receive their handheld weapons that they can use to protect the bridge crew. Remind them, if you're the one who gives them their weapons, that they shouldn't shoot each other or their other crew members or the computers, because they don't want to stun crew members or ruin computers and things like that. In the Columbia, the security officers also have the brig, which is like the jail or the prison, where they can put intruders and keep them in there, because there's a force field that keeps those intruders inside the brig. So in the Atlantis there currently isn't one, but in the Columbia, make sure to explain what the brig is and where it is.